Open pit mining is the mining method used for extracting metalliferous ores and industrial minerals that occur near the surface, including commodities such as iron ore, copper, gold, diamonds, and uranium, among many others. The ore body is mined progressively deeper in a series of benches that are connected by winding haul roads, providing access for haul trucks to carry broken ore to the surface for treatment. In many cases, such as the enormous Bingham Canyon pit in Utah, the ore body starts out as an outcropping mountain and only becomes a pit as the result of many years of mining. Before an open pit mine begins, a comprehensive drilling program is carried out to determine the extent and grade of the ore. The design of the pit is based on economic, mining engineering, environmental, and geological factors, with one of the most important being the volume of barren rock that needs to be removed to access the valuable ore, often referred to as the stripping ratio. When the pit has been designed, the topsoil and barren rock is removed to expose the ore body. This is known as pre-production stripping and can take up to several years to complete. The barren rock that is stripped is placed in dumps situated away from the pit. When enough of the ore body has been exposed, ore production begins. The ore is mined in a series of benches, which can vary in height from about 2 meters to 15 meters, depending on the stability of the rock and the type of mining equipment being used. Before the bench can be mined, it needs to be blasted into loose material. Production drill rigs are used to drill a pattern of vertical blast holes in the bench. Usually, separate drilling programs are carried out to check the ore grade, but in many mines, geologists will also take samples from the piles of drill chips left at the top of each drill hole to confirm the ore grade along the bench. The drill holes are then loaded with explosives and connected together so that they will explode in a certain sequence. When the area has been cleared of all personnel, usually within 400 meters, the blast is fired. Before the blasted material can be dug, a distinction needs to be made between which parts of the shot material are valuable ore and which parts are barren rock. Geologists do this by using paint, pegs, and colored flagging tape, which act as visual aids to the mining operators. Then, the production equipment is moved in to start mining. Depending on the size of the operation, the mining is either done by small rubber-tired front-end loaders or large track-mounted electric or hydraulic shovels, and the material is hauled by mining haul trucks. This is known as a truck and shovel operation. When the truck has been fully loaded by the shovel, the truck driver is dispatched to a specific location or is generally taken to a primary crusher or a blending stockpile, and barren rock is taken to dumps. When the truck has dumped its load, it returns to the shovel for another one. There are usually numerous trucks hauling ore from a single shovel, the aim being to maintain a continuous process where neither the trucks nor the shovel are waiting for each other. Finally, when all the blasted material has been mined out, mining equipment, such as excavators and bulldozers, are sent in to clean up the area, carrying out activities such as scraping back the pit walls so there is no loose material left that could become a safety hazard. Then, the surveyors come in to mark out the next shot and the process begins again. By this process, the ore is taken out in successive stages until the ultimate pit limits are reached, either when the ore cannot be extracted safely or there are more costs involved in moving the barren rock than there are profits in recovering the ore. In an increasing number of open pit mines, when the final pit limits are reached, underground mining is considered to extract the rest of the ore body.